All right, inequality. Let's take a look at it. And it's, well, I guess do something, right? I'm going to write this as 0, 1 over x cubed minus 1 over x, and 0, common denominator is x cubed. You would get 1 minus x squared. I'm going to factor the top as 1 minus x, 1 plus x, and the bottom is x cubed. Put my number line down. The zeros on top are plus or minus 1. They get shaded, by the way, because they do make the inequality equal to 0. The bottom becomes 0 at 0. That does not get shaded because it's a division by 0. And let's test it out now. Like a number after 1 to choose would be like, I don't know, 10. It doesn't really much matter. And what'd you get? You get negative. And negative numbers are certainly less than 0. All right, take a number between 0 and 1, like at 0.5, and you get positive on top, positive on bottom, and that's not less than 0. Take a number between minus 1 and 0, like minus 0.5, and what would you get? You'd get positive on top, negative on bottom, and negative numbers are less than 0. So that gets shaded in. Take a number below minus 1, like minus 10, plug it in. You get negative over a negative, which is a positive. That does not get shaded in. So my answer over here is going to be from minus 1 to 0, union 1 to infinity. Put a box in that, get my red pen out, and see if I got that right. We're doing okay. Let's move on to the next question, which is B. Let's take a look at that one over there. And I would expand it. And what do you get? You would get 1 minus 2x plus x squared less than or equal to 10 minus 2x. Well, I'm going to write it in a standard way by subtracting 10 and adding 2x to both sides. And you would get x squared. And then you would get the x would disappear, by the way, and you get minus 9. Relatively simple. What do you get? X minus 3, x plus 3, less than or equal to 0. Number line goes down. Because the number line, the zeros, minus 3 and 3. They do get shaded in because they do produce a 0. Now let's test it out. Like after 3, you pick 5, and that would be a positive times a positive, which is not less than 0. Pick a number between minus 3 and 3, like 0, plug it in, you get negative times a positive, which is a negative, and that's certainly less than 0. If you take a number below minus 3, like minus 4, plug it in, you get negative times a negative, which is a positive, and that's not less than 0. So my answer over here is minus 3 up to 3. Let's look at the K, see if they've written that down, and in fact, they've written that down. Thank you.